How to create a Remitly account or sign up for Remitly. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Remitly account or sign up for Remitly. So to do that, first of all, download the Remitly app from either your Play Store or your App Store and simply open the app. Now, once you've opened the app, if you already have a profile, you'll have to simply log into your account. But since we don't have a profile and want to create one account, we'll tap on the option create a new profile. After that, you'll have to choose from where you will be sending your money and to where you will be sending your money. So once you've chosen both of those, tap on the option next. After that, enter your email address and simply create a new password for your account. Now tap on the option join Remitly. And now if you want to enable Face ID, simply do that. But if you don't, tap on the option not now. And there you have it. So that is basically how you sign up for Remitly or create a Remitly account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.